In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use action buttons in PowerPoint 2013. Action buttons are built-in shapes that make your slides interactive. They're perfect for creating clickable navigation, jumping to specific slides, opening a website, or even triggering a macro. Start by opening PowerPoint 2013 and heading to the slide where you want the button to appear. It helps to decide the purpose of the button first, maybe a next button for navigation or a home button that returns to your title or topic slide. Go to the Insert tab at the top, then click Shapes. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the gallery to find the Action Buttons section. You'll see options like Home, Back Next, and a custom button if you prefer a plain shape. Choose the button you want, then click and drag on your slide to draw it. Don't worry about getting it perfect. You can resize or reposition it later. If you want a perfect square or circle, hold Shift while you drag. As soon as you release the mouse, the Action Settings window appears. On the Mouse Click tab, choose what you want to happen when the button is clicked. Hyperlink to is the most common choice. You can jump to the next or previous slide, the first or last slide, or select a specific slide in your deck. You can also link to a URL. Just type or paste a full web address. If you need to launch a program or run a macro, those options are here as well. Keep in mind that running programs and macros may require security permissions. Click OK when you're done. If you want the button to react when the mouse hovers over it, open the action settings again and switch to the mouse over tab. Choose an action or add a subtle sound effect. Use sounds sparingly to keep things professional. To make the button match your design, select it and open the Format tab. Here you can change the shape style, fill color, outline, and effects like shadows or glows. Aim for good contrast and a size that's easy to click. If you want a button on every slide, go to the View tab and choose Slide Master. Insert the button on the master slide, set its action, and it will appear across your presentation. If it's missing on some layouts, uncheck Hide Background Graphics for those layouts. Close Slide Master when you're finished. Finally, test everything in slideshow view. Hover or click to confirm the action works as intended. If it doesn't, right-click the button and adjust the action settings, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.